Hey there everyone! Today, we're venturing into the world of budgeting using something students all need, school supplies. Now, let's talk about budgeting. Think of it like the GPS for your money. You wouldn't start a road trip without knowing your destination, right? Budgeting helps you reach your financial goals without unexpected detours. First off, you need to figure out how much money you have available. This could be from your allowance, savings, a part-time job, or maybe from your parents. Once you have that number, we can start our financial journey. Grab a piece of paper or open up a note on your device and jot down everything you might need for the school year. Yep, from those crucial textbooks to that super cool backpack with all the pockets. Got your list? Awesome! Now, without even realizing it, you've already set your financial priorities. There are things on that list you absolutely need, things that would be nice to have, and things that are, let's admit it, just for the swag. This is the essence of budgeting, knowing what's a must-have, what's a luxury, and what falls somewhere in between. Before you start buying, here's a pro tip: do a little detective work. Compare prices online, consider if second-hand options are feasible, and always keep an eye out for student discounts. A little research can save you big bucks. And here's another golden rule: keep track of what you spend. Every time you buy something, note it down. This will prevent you from accidentally overspending and will give you a clear picture of your finances. Now, I know things don't always go as planned. Maybe that art set is pricier than you thought. That's okay. Budgeting isn't about sticking rigidly to a plan, it's about adapting when needed. Also, remember you're not on this journey alone. Talk to your friends and classmates. There might be opportunities to buy in bulk and share costs or swap items. Sharing is, after all, caring and saving. Once all your shopping's done, take a step back. Look at what you spent and compare it to your initial list. This reflection is crucial because each time you budget, you get better at it. So, as we wrap up, remember this isn't just about getting ready for school. It's about preparing you for life. Budgeting is a skill, and like any skill, the more you practice, the better you get. So, go forth, conquer that school supply list, and remember, every dollar has a purpose. Make sure it serves you well. Here's to mastering your finances this school year.